The Dance Bird plushies are finally here, and they're beautiful. Chuck and Charlie. That's their names, by the way. You know the best part? They Velcro together. Like, what? That was really loud. Jesus, I got neighbors, dude. Whoops. Anyways, isn't that cool? But they're not here for long. You have less than 19 days. After that, they're gone. They're gone forever. Vaporized, okay? So, hurry. Other cool thing, they come together. So, you don't have to choose like Chuck or Charlie. Okay, I would never make you do that. When you get these Dance Birds, you get both. 2 plushies for the price of 1, baby. Link in the description. Like, come on.